Hey San Diego, how are you? This is Tommy Gallen with San Diego Gutters, and I have a favor to ask of you. I started a new podcast called the San Diego Gutters Show. We want to start interviewing contractors. You see, I have tons of clients and they're constantly asking me for referrals for roofers, for window washers, for painters, and I don't have enough contractors that I could put my name behind. So what I'd like to do is get references from you, then I could reach out to them and have them as guests on the show. We'll be able to interview them and go into their backgrounds and learn more about them, so that way we create a book of contractors and referrals that we can refer out to all of our clients. So thank you so much. If you know anybody, please feel free to email me at sandiegogutters@gmail.com. You can also visit sdgutters.com and check out all the stuff we have going on there. And if you listen to podcasts, check out the San Diego Gutters Show on any place where you listen to podcasts. Thanks so much.